In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to use the Bybit DCA bot to start buying crypto. Now, if you don't know already what DCA stands for, DCA stands for dollar cost averaging. And what it helps you do is to help you invest in whatever asset you want to invest in without standing a chance to buy once and then start losing. So if, for instance, I have $1,000 that I want to buy crypto with, instead of me going and buying BTC worth $1,000 today, I can split that into 10 different trades to run for 10 days or 20 different trades to run for 20 days, and it goes on. So that's exactly what I want to show you. And as it stands right now, Bybit is actually giving out 150% APR on those using the Bybit DCA bot because they just integrated their flexible savings with the DCA bot together. So in order to get started, all you need to do is to open up your Bybit app. If you don't have an account already, use the link in my bio to sign up for an account, or you can join us on Telegram. The link will equally be in my bio as well. So once you log into your account, I'm using the Bybit mobile app. So once you log into your ad, you want to go ahead and click on these options that say more right here. Once you click on more, the next thing you want to do is to click on trade option right here. So if you click on trade, it brings you to the trading section, and here you will see where it says trading bot. Go ahead and click on the trading bot option. Once you click on trading bot, you will see DCA right here. So this is the one we are interested in, this DCA option. Click on it to set it up. And once you click on it, you have the option to start buying crypto using USDT, which is a stable coin, or using USDC, which is equally a stable coin. So if you have USDT, you go ahead and use your USDT, and you can invest in multiple coins at the same time. You can invest in BTC, in Ethereum, in Solana, in LTC, any of the coins that you want. But by default, it is BTC that is selected right here. So you can see that you can start buying BTC from as low as $1 to as high as $1 million, I guess, $968,000 and all of that. So you can invest from as little as $1 up there. Now, if you want to add more tokens to the list, you just go ahead and click on the add crypto option. Once you click on that, you see all of the supported assets right there. So let's say I'm looking for LTC and I don't see it there. Just use the search bar to type LTC, and right there you will see LTC. So I just go ahead and click on it and add it up to the chart. You can add as many as you want. So for instance, let's say we want to start investing 10 USDT into BTC every day or every week. We can do the same for LTC as well. Now, after adding all of the asset that you want to start DCAing into and then portioning the amount you want to start buying, the next thing is to select the frequency. How often do you want to be buying this? Is it every day, or every week, every hour, and all of that? So if we go to the investment frequency right here and I click on it, you'll see the different options you have here. You can start buying every 10 minutes. You can start buying every hour. You can start buying every 8 hours, every 12 hours, every day, and then weekly, every 2 weeks, and then monthly. So right here, the choice is yours. So let's go ahead and stick to the daily option. Select the daily. Now, the next thing right here is the funds that you want to start investing with. Now, these funds needs to be in your funding wallet, as you can see right here. Your funding wallet, your Bybit funding wallet, not your unified trading account. So make sure that the funds that you want to use, either the USDC or the USDT, is inside your funding wallet. Now, if the funds are not in your funding wallet already, you can go ahead and click on this plus icon right there to transfer funds from your unified trading account to your funding wallet. After doing that, the next thing is to add the investment amount. So if I'm buying daily, $10 daily, and I want to run this for the next 3 months, how much would that amount to? That's what you're going to put right here where it says investment amount and the max amount rather. Okay, so you're going to put that right there. So it means, but even if you have $100,000 in your funding account, if I put $1,000 right here, so Bybit DCA bot will be buying $10 worth of the crypto asset or $20 worth of the crypto asset that you have specified there every day for you. And once it gets up to $1,000, it automatically stops. That's how this works. Now, here's the best part. Why this is here, there is this option that says flexible savings. So why your $1,000, your $100, whatever amount that you're going to be using to buy this crypto asset gradually, why it is here waiting for the next automatic buy, it will equally be earning some yield for you. So make sure that you enable this option that says flexible savings. Make sure it is toggled on, because if I have $1,000 here and it's going to take me 2 months to exhaust it, depending on what I've specified here, it means that in that 2 months, I'll be earning some return, some yield from those USDT that I have pending here until it get exhausted or until it get converted to any of the crypto asset that I want to buy. That's the beauty of the DCA bot. And the best time to use the DCA bot is this bear period that we are currently in. This is the time to start buying little by little. Now, if you need help with some of the assets that you should be buying, personally, I would recommend BTC. But if you still want to buy some other altcoins and you need help with that, all you just need to do is to DM me on Telegram, and I'll send you the list of the tokens that I have personally made available for DCN into during this bear period. So that is how you can use the Bybit DCA board with the new flexible savings option or feature that has been added to it. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, follow for more videos like this, and if you want to learn more, join us on Telegram. The link will be in my bio.